It's really a return date to make sure he satisfied all the requirements.
Es una fecha para que él regrese, para que yo pueda confirmar que él ha cumplido con todo lo que yo le he pedido a él que haga.
Okay, I'll take care of it. Thank you.
Muy bien, yo me voy a entender de eso.
Have a good holiday, everyone. Thank you, Ms. Villarreal. You're the best.
Thank you. Thank you. Gracias. Que tenga buen día, señor. Se puede desconectar.
Yes, Mr. Orozco, you can disconnect.
Sí, usted, señor Orozco, se puede desconectar.
Nos vemos, gracias.
Okay, I'll be seeing you. Thank you.
All right, Guillen, Miss Villarreal?
Yes, also Ms. Kian Rangel.
City of Detroit versus Maria Guillen, case number SP 179-8175, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 179-8982, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, may I have that first number again? SP
179-8175, counts 1, 2, and 3.
Thank you, Your Honor. Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus María de Los Ángeles Guillén Rangel, número de caso SP1798175, cargos 1, 2 y 3, y SP1798982, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
María de Los Ángeles Guillén Rangel.
María de Los Ángeles Guillén Rangel.
Your Honor.
Su señoría.
May I speak to Ms. Guillen again in the breakout room?
¿Me permite que yo vuelva y hable con la señora Guillén en la sala privada de consulta?
Hey.
Thank you.
Claro, gracias.
All right, Ms. Guillen, join the room and speak with Mr. Berry. We'll pass the matter.
Así que, señora Guillén, toque donde dice join o unirse.
Ms. Harris, give me a name, please.
Okay. DeMarco Gentry.
City of Detroit versus DeMarco Lavelle Gentry Jr. Case number SP 180-6485, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 180-64901. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff again. Cherika Harris, P72832 on behalf of Mr. Gentry. Mr. Gentry, please state your name for the record.
DeMarco Gentry Jr.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is date and time set for a pretrial. What is there a resolution, Ms. Harris? He's got a valid driver's license.
And he was also able to present valid insurance and registration. He would be admitting responsibility to the count of limited access 1 to 5 over.
All right. For improper language use, 1 to 5. That's the best they can do.
It's the limited access, Your Honor. He did state that he was given an opportunity to take the course. He has not done that, but he did want to take advantage of this offer. It's 0 points. It does abstract, but it is 0 points.
All right, you want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual
We stipulate
basis.
to the face of the ticket. So stipulated, Your Honor. We stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal.
All right, with that, I will find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5, $125. When can you pay it, Mr. Gentry?
I'm sorry, I had to so I have to pay for it if I don't take the class.
No, you gotta pay anyway. If you're gonna, unless you got all of it dismissed through a hearing or something like that, you gotta pay.
Okay,
So, 125 if you want to take this deal.
and if I'm sorry, it's my first time, so if I don't take the deal, then what?
Then you'd have to go set it for a formal hearing, and they would have to find you responsible or guilty or whatever the case. You want to go back and speak with Ms. Harris?
No, it's fine. I'll just pay the 125. I can pay about could I pay it in 2 weeks?
Yeah, 2 weeks. Pay it by December the 19th. Now you understand what's going on, sir?
Yes, I do.
All right, abandon any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, Mr. Gentry. If you don't have any further questions, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Who's next, Ms. Harris?
Sorry, I'm trying to look at the numbers next to their names to keep them in order.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Guillen. Ms. Guillen, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. What does your client want to do?
You're muted, Ms. Villarreal.
Thank you, Mr. Berry. Vamos a volver en el acta con el caso de la señora Guillén. Señora Guillén, le dio la oportunidad de reunirse con su abogado defensor en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogado, ¿qué va a hacer su cliente?
Your Honor, my client has shown a valid international license as well as valid insurance and registration. We would seek dismissal.
Su señoría, mi cliente me ha mostrado a mí que tiene una licencia internacional vigente, tal como tiene seguro de vehículo y registración de vehículo, todos vigentes también. Pedimos que la corte desestime estos cargos.
So does the city know about the civil infractions, the brake lights, expired plates, and the failure to use a turn signal?
Y sabe la ciudad de los cargos civiles que ella tiene, que tienen que ver con las placas y haber faltado de usar una señal para doblar.
Your Honor, the city does not. I didn't have those. What are those charges again? Brake
No,
light?
señoría, la ciudad no sabía de eso. Usted dígame cuáles son esos cargos adicionales que son infracciones civiles. ¿Las placas, usted dijo?
It's a brake light, expired plate, and a failure to use turn signal.
Okay. If I
Sí,
could have a moment.
algo le pasaba malo a la luz de frenos, las placas estaban vencidas y faltó de usar una señal cuando fue a doblar.
I'll pass the matter again, see if you can get an updated offer.
Vuelvo a
Yes,
pasar
sir.
este caso para que usted pueda conseguirle una oferta de resolución acerca de estos otros cargos.
All right, Ms. Harris,
Lene Lowe.
City of Detroit versus Lene Lowe, and the state of Michigan versus Lene Lowe, I believe. On the docket or not? Case number SP15714081, SX45127961. Good morning to you, Ms. Lowe. State your name for the record, please.
Lene Lowe. Good morning.
And no, Your Honor, there's only one matter on the docket, which is the one matter that we discussed and the one matter that we have resolution for. And she has a valid yet restricted license. And that is the only thing that we discussed.
All right, other matters in a payment plan of speeding ticket that she got 8 May the 7th, 2025. Okay, you want to, well, all right. What is the dismissal on that driving ticket?
Yes, Your Honor, she has a valid license.
All right, case dismissed, Ms. Lowe. I just stunned me that we have another individual going 105 miles per hour. Wow. So that's just beyond. Turn your camera on. What is it? What is your problem? You're going that fast, man.
I was on the freeway. It was kind of like a road rage thing. I was trying to get away from someone and I was speeding. I had an evaluation for my license and we had went over it and we talked about it and we came up with a resolution of how I can handle it better. If someone is, upset with me on the road.
And what was the tell everybody what they should do in that situation? Who did you have this conversation with? The evaluators at the Secretary of State?
Secretary of State, yeah. when going that fast is truly not worth it because you can cause accidents. Like you don't even have to be in the wrong. It's just it'll be too late for you to slow down. So just try to back down and just stay out the way. Mind your business, ignore it because you can cause problems with other people who doesn't even have nothing to do with you speeding or anything. So the best thing to do is just just try to ignore road rage when you're out driving.
And you didn't know this person at all, did you? Or did you?
I didn't know this person at all. No, I didn't know this person at all.
That's insane, isn't it?
Yes.
All right, I think you understand where you went wrong. I know you can't help sometimes what other people do, but you can definitely control your own actions. And 105 miles an hour now, you could have easily killed yourself, somebody else, and everything. You know what I'm saying? It's just, but all right, I'm gonna dismiss the case. I'll word with Warren Creek. If there's nothing further now, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay? I'm glad
Thank you. Same to you. Really appreciate it. Thank you.
Glad you learned something, and I'm glad you shared it with us too, what you learned, all right?
No problem. Thank you.
All right, who's next?
Tatiana Green.
City of Detroit versus Tatiana Green, case number SP 1725779, counts 1 and counts 2, appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Ms. Green. Ms. Green, please state your name for the record.
Tatiana Green.
Your Honor, we only discussed one count. She presented valid insurance. Count 1 is what's on the docket.
All right, she had a count 2 of disregarding a red signal. That is in default. She's made a payment toward it. So I'll dismiss what's on the docket. You realize when you pay that, you set yourself up for 3 points on your driving record, right?
Yes.
Were you able to take a class? Did they give you a class to get those 3 points off?
No, they didn't give me a class to get those 3 points off.
I know that the Secretary of State usually will allow you to take a class, but that's going to be based on your driving record. So if you have a bad driving record, they may have evaluated your record and said no, or I don't know if you just didn't get anything yet, or if you did, I don't know what happened, but typically 3 points or less, they will give you that, let you take that class if your driving record is one that does it's appropriate for it. I'll dismiss the case, Ms. Green, and I wish you a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, if I could get,
Next
if I
would
could
be
get Ms.
Calvin. Oh, sorry.
Rule and Gulian back in the breakout room.
Si queremos ver a la señora Guillén Rangel de nuevo en la sala privada de consulta, acepte la invitación, señora, cuando se la manden para donde dice join o unirse.
Who's next?
Calvin Gilbert.
City of Detroit versus Calvin Gilbert. Case number SP 1811682, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Gilbert. Mr. Gilbert, please state your name for the record. For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. We're just waiting for him to state his name for the record, please.
Calvin Gilbert.
Your Honor, Mr. Gilbert was able to present valid insurance and registration.
He has an expired plate. I'll give him the benefit of the doubt and set that aside, and we'll dismiss both the matters. There's nothing further, Mr. Gilbert. Have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you. Okay?
Thank you.
All right, who's next?
Kawan Lee.
City of Detroit versus Juan Thomas Lee. Case number SP 1781012, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1816611, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee, please state your name for the record.
Juan Thomas Lee.
Your Honor, we did have an opportunity to discuss, but he was missing some of his documentation. He just wanted to know if he would be able to come back on Monday to present his valid documentation versus the pretrial date that was given.
Come back December the 8th, bring your documents. Mr. Lee, say, I'll see you back on Monday.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Have a great day.
All right, you too.
Next.
Those are the only individuals that I spoke with, Your Honor.
Honor, the interpreter returned to room 28, but there was no one there.
Room 2, Ms. Gillian, Ms. Villarreal for Ms. Gillian.
Thank you so much.
I don't see.
You see, you're saying, see, you say judge.
WCR in
It
green.
says participant ID. That's it.
That one?
Yes.
Okay. Gerald Gates, he has valid insurance. What about the defective equipment? Give me a second. All right. Do we have his, Mr. Gilbert's file?
Yes, that's right.
He hasn't gotten an offer yet.
No, he was a 130 from yesterday, so he brought his valid document.
All right, let's get you an offer. Ms. Harris?
So he come in. He got to get him. He's never talked to an attorney.
Yes, Your Honor.
I have Mr. Devontae Gilbert Taylor. He's here from yesterday, 1:30, for Raymond. He has a no insurance misdemeanor, expired plate, defective brake light, seat belt, and no valid registration. He brought in valid registration. I don't see any valid insurance. What about insurance?
Yes, I showed that to Secretary of State. I have to go.
Do you have it on? Let's get a proper copy of the insurance.
I have the email. I have to print it out.
Why don't you join online right quick and speak to Ms. Harris? Go out in the hallway, join online. I'll get you in touch with the attorney.
So if I'm understanding correctly, what's left is the defective equipment and the seatbelt.
Defective equipment, defective equipment, seatbelt, no valid registration, expired plate. So 4 civil infractions and 1 misdemeanor.
Right, but he's presented valid documentation. So
he's got the registration. He's gonna show you, I guess he needs to figure out how to get the insurance off his phone. And then he's going to speak to you about the, I guess, the lights and the seatbelt. The receipt for the lights.
I just fixed it up. So it was the light bulb.
Talk to her, she'll get a sense of.
She's gonna come to you and tell you what to do. As far as like I did not have my seatbelt on.
No, let's go help. We'll figure it out. You're on now? All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. You have to go in the hallway because it's gonna interrupt the thing. I'll put you in a breakout room, Ms. Harris, talk to her, all right? You're welcome. That's what. Cleaners do something.
Alright,
I always want to find crack open.
let's crack open the AC.
Well, I think, yeah, maybe I'm wrong. You don't never do nothing wrong. So
Okay,
I mean,
I'm one of your kids now.
No, I mean, it's just, I see it, and I mean, you're the only one.
Jemima.
You and I, William Bottom is not out here anymore, so.
Okay.
No, but I can't say that, it may be one of the cleaners.
Okay, I'll make sure.
I apologize.
It's okay, I'll make sure I
Well, let's
don't do
just
it
both make
again.
sure it's closed. If
Okay.
whoever, if that ghost is doing it, we'll make sure that. it
Okay,
goes.
we'll have to.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes, sir, give me a minute.
All right.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Is this all we have?
That's all, yeah, everything else that's all that we scheduled behind you. Then take a look at that. And that's it. This is, typical is, was on my pending report and I quote, see what was going on with this. I don't know what we're gonna do with it.
If this is dismissed, then it's gonna get dismissed.
Well, I know, but I have to work on your order.
That's my order.
Okay. Not getting- I hope y'all got a room in that house. Oh, what street you live on?
It's not. It's
Your wife
just-
gonna be like,
it's
"Why
just
you
something
there?"
that's- I don't see why you worry about that stuff. If it's
I
dismissed,
have
it
seen
means-
it.
Listen. Listen. If I say this.
Ms. Matheson, the judge, during their weekly argument today.
That's it.
Thank you.
I think I do enough work. I'm already working hard. I have to print out all this summary, and I have to do all this stuff. Mr. Berry, are we ready? Yeah, unmute yourself now, Mr. Berry.
Señor Berry, si está listo, prenda su micrófono.
Ready, Your Honor.
Listo, su señoría.
Ms. Guillen, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Vamos a volver ahora con el caso de la señora Guillén. Señora Guillén, le di la oportunidad de volver y hablar con su abogado. Abogado, ¿qué quiere hacer su cliente?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to enter a plea of blocking traffic for the failure to signal a turn and the remaining matters to be dismissed.
Su señoría, mi cliente quiere aprovecharse de la oferta que le ha propuesto la fiscalía. Es decir, ella va a presentar una declaración acerca del cargo de que estaba bloqueando tráfico. Ese cargo reemplaza el cargo de que faltó de usar una luz de señal, una señal para doblar, reconociendo que el resto de los cargos quedan desestimados.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
¿Quiere usted aceptar esta oferta de resolución, señora?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea in the client's behalf.
Y abogado, ¿puede estipular que lo que dice la boleta de infracción, yo puedo utilizar esa información para proveernos un fundamento para la declaración de ella?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así lo estipulo, su señoría.
Stipulate the probable cause to dismiss the other matters.
¿Y puede usted
Yes.
estipular que hay causa razonable para desestimar los otros cargos?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sí,
So
su señoría. De acuerdo, lo estipulo.
Find the client responsible as to the admitted count of blocking traffic, $175, and can be paid.
Así que encuentro que su cliente es responsable al cargo modificado de haber bloqueado el tráfico y le pedimos 175 en multas. ¿Para cuándo pudiera usted pagar los 175, señora?
El 10 de enero.
January 10th.
January 10th. January 10th. Head of any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, I'm told you can upload to DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, man, have a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
El 10 de enero del 26, pues sí, páguelo a más tardar el 10 de enero del 2026. ¿Cómo lo puede pagar? Es así. Puede ir a cualquiera de los kioscos que se encuentran en la ciudad que se llaman DivDat. Hasta puede poner el app de DivDat en su teléfono si lo quiere pagar de esa manera. O puede venir en persona a la corte para pagarlo. Son las mejores maneras que yo opino que son para pagar la multa. Si no tiene algo que agregar, señora, yo le quiero desear unos días feriados felices y seguros y que tenga suerte.
Yo puedo seguir manejando con mi licencia de Venezuela.
Can I continue to drive with my license from Venezuela?
Internacional.
And an international license?
As long as you're operating under the agreements of the laws, then you should be able to.
Después que usted manejando y respetando las leyes, debería poderlo hacerlo.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, let's have a great day.
Que tenga usted muy buen día.
Anyone else, Ms. Miller?
I believe that's it, Your Honor.
Ms. Miller, have a safe and weekend, and I'll see you back next week. I'm already set up for the holiday. That's what my mind is.
I get it. Thank you, Your Honor. See you next week. Bye, Mr. Berry. Have a great weekend.
Bye.
Ms. Miller.
Bye, Jamira.
Bye-bye.
Who's next, Mr. Berry?
I suppose Mr. Gibson, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit. This is James Gerald Gibson. Case numbers SB 1655616, counts 1 and counts 2, SB 165787771. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gibson. Your Honor, per the prosecutor, this matter is to be dismissed.
Case dismissed, Mr. Gibson. Have a very good rest of your day. Have a safe, happy holiday season, sir.
Thanks, we appreciate you, Your Honor.
Well, all right, next, Mr. Berry.
Mr. Gates.
Gates, this is the city of Detroit versus Gerald Aaron Gates, case number SB 1578791, SB 1805266, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gates.
Gerald Aaron Gates.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond.
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance and we seek dismissal.
Case dismissed, Mr. Gates. Have a very safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Amina Osman Omar. Case number SP 1806813, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes,
Good morning to you, ma'am.
good morning.
Is that you, Mr. Berry?
Yeah, yes, Miss Omar.
No, Your Honor.
I'm by myself.
Did anybody talk to you, ma'am?
No, besides the police officer who pulled me over.
Go in the breakout room. Ms. Harris, are you there? Speak to Ms. Omar, Mr. Berry. I'm gonna put you in a
Yes, ma'am.
breakout room. Omar. Speak with the
Okay.
lawyer.
All right.
And 26. Join the room, please. She's got a no insurance misdemeanor and a blocking traffic. Oh, there comes. You spoke to Ms. Harris, Mr. Gilbert? Mr. Gilbert, you spoke to Ms. Harris?
Yes. Sent her the email.
Okay. She's waiting in the room for Ms. Warren. Let's see.
Judge Perkins, go on, Mr. Myron, I can help. It's fine. Are you? In regards to, I'm still not scheduled for 4. Do you have an upcoming party? Okay. Again. I mean, you sending me the documents, I have to know where to put them, so I'm trying to see. What day where I put it in the future, right? Okay. Oh, what's your last name? Okay. Court date is December 16th, 2025, 8:30. It's going to be on Zoom. Okay, you got a Zoom ID number? And you're Freddie Graham, correct? Okay, so you do have upcoming pre-trial date, James Perkins, December 16th, 8:30. I'm going to be in the Zoom. I'll give you my email address so you can email me the documents and I'll put it in the file. Did you put a period in? You did behind his name, because I just want to make sure. Dr. Sean, you have to put a period. Okay.
Judge, do you want to pull Shania Williams in to see where she should be?
Shania Williams?
In that waiting room.
Oh.
Thursday, this report out.
Good morning, Shania Williams. Can you unmute your device for us?
Yes, ma'am. Hi, my name is Shania Williams. I was currently trying to figure out if I'm in the right Zoom room or if this is the wrong Zoom room.
Do you have a case number, ma'am?
No, sir. I had to get up early this morning, so when it was time for me to do my Zoom call and everything, I don't have my papers and stuff, but I am late to my court meeting.
Turn your camera on, please.
Hello.
Good morning to you.
will
You're
commence.
supposed to be, it's arraignment on the bench warrant on January the 5th. And 5489, let's see. Kenneth King, January the 5th at 8:30 in courtroom. What is Kenneth King's courtroom is 337.
Okay. January 5th. Kenneth King.
Courtroom 337, that would be 360-337-0000.
Okay, you said 360000.
No, it's 360-337-0000.
Alrighty. And that's a court number or is that a phone number?
That's a Zoom ID.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much. And then is there any
Almost 33.
possibility that I can check in with them, or would you let them know that I checked in?
Well, it's not till January the 5th.
Okay. It sounds like they rescheduled it. That's all. Yeah.
Well, check in. You can Zoom in now and see if you can ask them about it now.
Okay, but
See if they're here.
I can find his Zoom link. How I found your Zoom link, correct?
Yeah, Kenneth King, just like you found my Zoom link, but I gave you the Zoom ID too.
Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Y'all have a blessed day. Happy holidays.
You as well. Tavia Laws was sitting out in that breakout room too. I didn't know she had another court date. She's always here. Huh? Who is?
Somebody got a last name like Rihanna.
I don't see that all the time. I don't see the Tavia Laws all the time. She was in. Who's not that going? You're not looking at her Zoom on there. I mean, you Instagram or nothing in here. I'm talking to the lady. Miss Harris? Yes. The attorney? All right. We're not in the hallway, Mr. Gilbert. Mr. Gilbert. Sir, just take it in the hallway. Thank you. Oh, man, I found out. That, oh, wow, sorry for that.
That's terrible.
Just really times up.
Okay, you say?
It's somewhere in the stomach or something.
Stomach say.
I don't know where in that area. I don't know.
They say all those organs is, I learned my mother, they call them that sack. So they all in that sack together. The pancreas, the stomach, the liver, it's a sack together, a bag, and it just reds. The doctor even took my hand, put it on the canister. I can't tell you. I went back and forth to emergency room. Yeah, he was like, I want you to feel this. And he was like, rock. Still I said, it's still not real to me sometimes. It'd be like, what? She busts at me all the time. Like,
I'm not surprised with
that. She's the only one to do that. Everybody else is again. No, she's the only one got it. Wow.
So it's not surprised.
What? No. Put your hands on me, baby. We're one time this man touched me. He was on. She was like, get off her. I was like, Mama, God. I was like, what are you gonna do? Yeah, we was at a park and this man touched me. I was like, Mama, what you do?
And what did he touch?
He just touched like my arm or something. But she was ready to leave.
All right, she's about to turn that purse into a weapon.
I was like, Mama. Huh?
I'm not mad at her.
Like, get off her. I was like, Mama, you just like, I don't care. Who is that?
Wrong?
I'm the age I am now. It was about a year ago. I was like, Mama, what are you doing? Funny, like, oh my God. Like, what do you want? Yeah.
Set? Yes. All right, let's call it. Come on, step on up. Step up, sir. You ready, Ms. Harris? For
We are.
Gilmore Taylor? Gilmore Taylor? Yeah.
Gilmore.
Sorry. City of Detroit versus Devontae Richard Gilmore Taylor. Case number SP 181-72411. SP 181-7242, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 181-72571. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Gilmore. Please state your name for the record.
Devontae Gilmore.
All right. Good morning to you, sir. Today's date and time set. Well, we'll call it set for an arraignment. Go ahead, Counsel.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. What's going to be the resolution?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting trial and formal hearing date.
What? They wouldn't work this out?
The offer was he could admit responsibility to the seatbelt violation with the remaining matters dismissed. He indicates that he had his seatbelt on.
All right.
Yeah.
You know how it works. You say you did, he says you didn't. I guess we gotta have a trial for it. It is on, it can be on Zoom.
And then the outcome would just be.
Yeah.
That's if
Just
you were
like-
found responsible, sir.
That's if found responsible, but it's almost just like you'd be paying this $65 now, but, all right. January the 6th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Gilmore Taylor, have a very safe and happy holiday season. And we'll see you back on the new year. You can just join on Zoom. No, If you're gonna pay it now and just get it over with. Huh? He's gonna pay the $65, Miss here.
Okay.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Let's go down to the cashier. Ms. Harris will give you some paperwork. Go ahead.
Oh, I thought you said I was going to give him some paperwork, and I was like,
Oh,
no,
sorry,
not
Ms.
yet.
Matthews. I'm sorry, Ms. Matthews. Good day, sir. Here, let her- let him have a seat. I'll give it to you.
I gotta wait till I get the file.
All right, Mr. Gilmore Harris, have a statement. Happy holiday season. Best of luck to you. All right. Yeah. Green McCain. Joseph Green McCain.
Yes, sir.
Why are you so late, sir?
My apologies. I wasn't aware of the time. I just looked at it and I noticed that it was at 8:45 and not current. I just made sure I quickly hopped on.
City of Detroit versus Joseph Green McCain, case number SP 1795055, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Joseph Green McCain.
Is the date and time set for a pre-trial, Ms. Harris. Get Mr. Green McCain an updated offer. Keep in mind, sir, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, let us know what you want to do when you come out. Excuse me.
We're ready as to Ms. Omar, Your Honor. We're having trouble getting her out of the breakout room.
All right.
Shit.
Should
2990 seatbelt violation. That's 39. Is that 30? 2390.
maybe just simply
See. Seatbelt is 3290. That would be seatbelt violation, 0 points, no abstraction. Nothing to the. All right, are we ready on, this Omar?
Ready, Your Honor.
They're out?
Yes.
So yes. All right. I've given you an opportunity. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Omar. I've given you an opportunity, ma'am, to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to plead to blocking traffic as charged, the insurance matter to be dismissed.
Want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Find you responsible for, as charged to the blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it, Ms. Omar?
January 15.
Pay it by January 15th, ma'am. Pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDad app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. I wish you the best of luck, ma'am. Have a safe and happy holiday season.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Mr. Gill.
Be safe out there. All right, happy holidays, dude.
I say you remind me of my nephew. Hmm?
You know, the officer writes them for expired plates and no registration. It's like, you just write for everything.
Just right.
As you can.
That's like the same.
No, the mine is me. There's no writing.
Right.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Green McCain. Mr. McCain, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Sorry, I was muted. Could we check the status of his license, please?
We already did, not licensed.
He indicated that he had a permit.
Yeah, he does not.
I just went and got it. I paid my reinstatement fee a couple of days ago.
Let me say this, by the time you went there and got it, since then it's been not valid. Why? I don't know. So let's see here. Is this the right person? What's your date of birth, sir?
3/25/93.
Huh? It's not Miss Matthews. I see, the last thing I see that's gone on this license is way back in 2022.
You know, I just went to the Secretary of State 2 days ago. I had to take a test. I took my test. I paid for my fee, paid $150. Yeah, I did all that.
Did you?
It says here, reinstatement date for this one ticket back in 2021 is December the 3rd. So, like, if you went
Sir,
on December 3rd, 23rd. I don't know if that's, so if you can go on that date or you have to go the next date. That's one thing I see. The third. December the 3rd. Then it's February 16th, 2016 reinstatement date. So the only thing I don't see is on this thing out in Livonia.
So you don't see a couple days ago when I went and paid my reinstatement fee?
No, I don't think it would tell me that. Let's see here. I do. It does say reinstatement fee paid 3/15, 3/25, December the 3rd, December the 3rd, 2025. But saying not licensed. You're gonna have to go back.
My advice would be a pre-trial date, Your Honor, so that he could have an opportunity to get further information with regards to the status of his license.
All right, you wanna do that, sir?
Yes, yeah.
Seems like you're. When are you gonna go to, when are you gonna go to the Secretary of State?
Yeah, it's right next door, so yeah, I'm gonna go there and get it taken care of. But it don't show that I literally just paid my reinstatement fee a couple days ago.
I told you, it does show you paid the reinstatement fee, it doesn't show your license.
Okay, because yeah, I took the test and everything, so I'll figure that out and get it taken care of.
When do you wanna come back? You wanna come back before the holiday or after the holiday?
We can do after the holiday.
Come back on January the 5th, 2026. Have a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you.
January the 5th at 8:30.
All right.
All right. Hey, Miss Laws was here. I didn't let her in. That was earlier. She's just always here. All right.